everyone, welcome back to Shradhi Style. So glad to have you back here. If you're someone new, welcome. My name is Shraddha and this is my channel Shradhi Style, where I share with you all my makeup tips and tricks that I have learned throughout the years of using makeup. And I would love to have you as a subscriber, so please hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't. So if you watched my previous two videos, they were all on the same theme, that is wedding. If you haven't watched me recreate my mom's wedding look, please click somewhere up on the screen, as well as I created like my version of traditional Marathi bride. So if you haven't watched both of those videos, please click somewhere on the screen and it'll take you directly to that video. So I've actually created a list of all the products that I want to talk to you about. So if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my phone and I've written down what product I want to talk about. All the makeup tools, I love using all my brushes and my beauty blender. These are all dirty now because I used it for another video, but having good quality brushes is so important, because these are the tools that you'll be using to apply your makeup. Even if you have like the most expensive foundation or the most expensive eyeshadow palette, if you don't have good quality brushes, they won't apply well, they won't blend well, and at the end of the day, they won't look good on you. So having good quality brushes is really important. Next is skincare. Now it's so important to take care of your skin before the big day. It's really important that your skin is hydrated from within to handle all the makeup that you're going to apply on the big day. So number one, have lots and lots of water leading up to the big day so that you have as much as moisture and hydration in your skin. No amount of makeup can give you that glow that hydrated skin gives you. Or you can either use sheet mask. Now I love sheet masks and I have this Garnier Skin Active sheet mask. It's a moisture bomb and trust me, this gives so much hydration to your skin. Your skin will literally thank you. You just need to apply this for like 15-20 minutes and then take it off and rub that serum in, and it leaves your skin feeling really moisturized and hydrated. The next thing is using like a hydrating spray or mist. So what I like to use is this Hard Candy hydrating spray mist. It has coconut water in it. It feels so cooling and so hydrating. I love using this. And then for primer, I like to use the e.l.f. hydrating primer. Now e.l.f. has so many types of these primers for different purposes. I can't even remember, but this one is really my favorite. It's the hydrating kind, and you definitely need as much hydration as possible on your big day. So don't forget, water, hydrating masks, hydrating serums, everything that says hydrating is a must. Now moving on to actual makeup products. Starting off with foundation. Now you need something which is really long lasting and has absolutely insane amount of coverage. So I love this Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way, and this has amazing amount of coverage. Now to pair that foundation with an even amazing concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. I use it all the time, and this is again a similar kind of product that you don't require a lot of. It has amazing coverage and stays all day. Alright, moving on to setting powder. In my previous video where I did the Indian Marathi bride, I used this Air Spun Loose face powder. I love how this smells. This smells like baby powder, and I love the smell of baby powder. So what I like to do is I use my Real Techniques face sponge, and using the flat side, I would just dip this in powder and then apply it on my under eyes and like let it bake for 10 to 15 minutes and then just wipe it off with a bare brush. You know how you can get your ordinary makeup products stay on your face for a long time? Combine your cream products with powdered products. So as you've seen me do a million times before, this is my Fenty Beauty matte stick in the shade Truffle, and I use this as a contouring / bronzer stick. So I would apply this wherever I want to chisel out my cheeks, bring some color to my forehead and all those places, and then I blend this out with a brush, and then I top it off with this contouring powder. This is by Wet n Wild. This combined with my cream stick is the best combination. Now this works even for blushes and highlights. You apply your cream blush or cream highlight and then top it off with a powder product. That product is going nowhere. Now moving on to eyes. Now I have pretty thick eyebrows and I groom them every 2 to 3 days. And as you've seen me do a gajillion times, I like to use my Maybelline Brow Define Duo. I've raved about this so many times that I don't even want to talk about this. This is my favorite product hands down, and I love using this as my brow product. Now because I use my Maybelline Brow Define, which has a waxy side on one end, I don't really use any product to set it in place. But if you're someone who uses a powdered product to fill in your brows or define your brows, you want to set that in place with an eyebrow gel. Now when it comes to doing your actual eye makeup, like for your face, you need an eyeshadow primer. I cannot stress this enough. An eyeshadow base, an eyeshadow primer is so important. It sets a clean slate for the other eyeshadow colors to stick onto. They blend really well and they won't crease on you. So I like to use my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone, and this has worked so well for me. I like to top this off with like an eyeshadow which is similar to my skin tone, and any eyeshadow I apply on top of it doesn't crease, blends so well and stays on my eyes for a very long time. Now moving on to actual eyeshadows. You want an eyeshadow palette that has a good transition shade, has a good highlight, and has colors that match the dress that you're wearing on the big day. The most important thing is to have a waterproof eyeliner, because let's face it, it's a wedding. There will be tears, there'll be so many lights, you'll be sweating. So you do need an eyeliner that wouldn't budge from your upper lash line. And if you want to make your eyeliner last for a really long time, use the same trick like you do for other cream products. Top it off with a powdered product. So what I like to do is, once I apply my cream gel liner on my upper lash line, I would top it off with the same dark shade of an eyeshadow, and I never have a problem of it smearing or disappearing from my upper lash line. Now if you're someone who likes to wear false lashes, by all means wear it, but make sure that you or someone who's going to be along with you the whole day has a tube of eyelash glue. Because in my experience, if you wear false lashes for a very long time, it tends to separate from the ends. So you really want to have the eyelash glue handy so that you can fix that at any time. You also want to make sure that your mascara is waterproof. I cannot stress it enough how important it is to have your eyeliner and your mascara waterproof. Because your eyes will water, your mascara will run off, you look like a panda. Who wants to look like a panda on their wedding day? Nobody. So important. Have your eye products, at least the eyeliner and mascara, you need to have them waterproof. How much ever pain in it is to get it off, I'm telling you, it's gonna be worth it. Now lipstick and lip liner are something that is really a personal choice. If you want to go with the traditional red lip, this is a really nice choice. It is a pain to get off. It is going to smear everywhere when you try to wash it off your face. I have used this in my previous videos. This product dries down and it's like a permanent marker. It doesn't come off. I absolutely love this if you want to go for that traditional trademark red lipstick. But if you have your own choice in lipsticks, if you want to go for a nude lip, I mean, for a wedding, why would you go for a nude lip? But you know, it's your choice. I mean, it's your lip, it's your big day. And the most important thing of all, your makeup will run away from your face if you don't set it well. You need a setting spray. Now this is a matte setting spray, and I want to stress it over and over again that you should have a matte setting spray. I would highly recommend this Hard Candy matte setting spray. It locks your makeup in place and In spite of the weather, the lights, the tears, or whatever, your makeup is not going anywhere. And last but not the least are these oil absorbing sheets or blotting sheets. These are so important to keep handy. For me at least, I tend to start getting sweaty right around my T-zone, and you don't want to go in and fix your makeup every now and then. These sheets are so amazing. You just need to blot them off and it'll take all of the excess oil away, and you don't need to go and touch up your makeup again and again. So these were all the products that I think are really important to have on your big day. These are good, long-lasting, high-coverage products. I've used them. I can vouch for them. They are really amazing. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button down below. And on that note, I'll see you in my next one. Take good care of yourself. Enjoy the holidays. Enjoy the wedding preparations. And I shall see you in my next one. Bye.